Welcome everyone. As most of you may know, Udemy stands as the largest digital learning platform with thousands of courses spanning a multitude of subjects. Completion of its paid courses also rewards you with a certificate. Today, we're going to explore how you can enroll in these paid courses absolutely free of charge. Let's start by heading to courses.impodis.com. As you can see, this site features a wide array of courses, each one paired with a 100% free coupon. For this demonstration, we'll select the Cloud Computing Essentials, Linode, Linux, and the LAMP Stack course. Here, you can find all the relevant course information such as ratings, the number of enrolled students, course content, and included features, etc. As we scroll down, we can see the course introduction video. Here you can get a basic idea about the course before enrollment. Below, you'll find details about course requirements, a detailed course description, and information about who would most benefit from this course. Make sure to read through these sections before making your enrollment decision. Further down, you can see the coupon code for the course. You can choose to either click the Copy Coupon button to manually apply this code on Udemy, or you can use the Get Course button to be automatically redirected to Udemy with the coupon code applied. Once redirected, you'll see that the price is now listed as free, indicating a successful coupon application. For this course, we've effectively saved $19.99. With the coupon code in place, we can now enroll in the course by simply clicking Enroll Now. You'll see that your cart is now showing a total of 0. After confirming your enrollment, you've now gained access to the course. You can find your courses by clicking on the top right corner and selecting My Learning. Quick side note, if you find this content valuable, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated with us. We will bring you more free resources in the future, and will announce them via this channel. Okay, now go inside. You'll have access to all course videos, notes, announcements, course materials, and you can track your progress. Remember, courses.impodis.com constantly updates with new courses, so feel free to explore and enroll in other courses that catch your eye. Here you can see, each course listing also includes the time it was added. As these coupons have a limited supply and can run out within minutes or hours, stay updated via our Facebook page, WhatsApp community, and Telegram group. Links to these will be in the video description. One final note, please only enroll in courses that you genuinely wish to take. This allows other students who need the course to also benefit from the free coupons. And remember, if you enjoyed a course, don't forget to leave a positive rating for the instructor. They're the ones offering you free access to these educational resources. Please hit the subscribe button to stay updated with us. Thanks for joining us, and happy learning!